In this session, I'm going to analyze Euro-Yen. We will be trying to understand the price action on this, trying to establish where the price can go, try to make a trading plan on this. Trading plan is the most difficult thing that you'll always encounter. Process, which I've discussed, process is the most easiest thing of all. The process means keep on repeating the same thing again and again. That's it. So most of you have problem with the process, feel no confidence, no control on the process. I totally understand this. 1 week stimulator, you're master of the process. Practice of the process. I've got a very unique and limited way of practicing just the process without phase 1, which you will be conducting, and there tomorrow is the lecture on the process. I've extremely simplified it. In process, all you need is to get used to it. That's it. So process is step 1, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 1. You have to make it your reflexes that you do step 1, 2, and 3, 3, 2, 1 with speed. You don't lose plot of it. You stay on it. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It's your and that can only happen if it's your natural reflexes, which comes with what? By practicing it. Where to practice? On stimulator. That's it. 1 week is enough. Couple of hours every day for a week is enough. Of course, if you can't, at least half an hour every day for at least 2 weeks, you should be master. It's literally like driving with an instructor. He tells you the step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you drive the next day, you think of the steps. Then you had 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. Imagine you've been driving and taking lessons every day for 3 weeks. Do you think you have to count those steps in your head? Your naturally reflexes are 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Please understand, the most easiest is the process. The way I'm explaining you the process this time will be the most easiest. There is no concept of switch candlesticks. H4 switch candlesticks that you've been learning previously. Remember H4 switch candlesticks, then go to the smaller time frames, look for the market structure and all that. There is no concept of switch candlesticks anymore. It's a simplified version of all. So I'm keeping this video precisely to this analysis because I need to put this video up on YouTube. But in this video, we are focusing on Euro-Yen analysis. Weekly chart is in front of you. You've got the weekly levels on. Again, as I said, look, if you're finding it hard to find low high and higher low formations, market structure, look at the range. That's it. Do you guys understand? Make sense? That is your market structure. You use this if you can't identify the market structure. It was pretty easy on this. It was pretty easy actually. Bearish market structure, price sitting on a lower low formation. Well, I will be expecting the price, hopefully expecting the price to retrace on this. That's what my expectation. So my expectation is the price will move from a lower low formation to a low high formation. Yes, in future, aim for the next target. That's my expectation. Expectation is price is sitting in the middle. That's a problem. Therefore, that is where the price is. And again, it's an analysis for upcoming week and week price action. So this is the low. That's it. So my analysis is pretty simple. I am expecting the price to go higher. That's what my expectation is. Now, why did my expectation is as such? You had shooting star formation Then you had this engulfing candlestick, and this candle has engulfed the previous candlestick, has taken control. Now this is a controlling factor here. Please understand. Price came back, yes, fails to break the low of this candlestick. That shows the base has been established. Now, as long, listen to this, as long the price remains above this level, fails to break this level, well, I am expecting with this accumulative volume presence, I am expecting the price to retrace around these levels. Higher, retrace higher. These accumulative volume is of weekly time frame, which carries strength. What it carries is strength to push the price higher. That's what my expectation is. Now, the problem is that's where your low highs are. So are we going all the way to these levels? Possible. But remember, you are in a bearish market structure. The retracement might not be that full of strength. It might not go to these levels. So do we have another resistance present there? Yes, I saw another resistance. Let's have a look. That's what I saw. So my expectation is this. That's what I'm expecting. Again, the move is lower low formation to low high formation. Before I'm expecting, I want to focus on this. It might well be price goes down, price goes down, price goes down. We don't know how much price can go higher. But because of this accumulation and the bullish accumulation presence, I am anticipating the push will be decent in nature, at least. That's what my expectation is. Equal length targets. Methodology, again, I don't want to get into this at this stage. So then you had the previous week, nice hammer formation, which pushed the price higher. Now that we are sitting at 122.80 levels, yes, so nice morning star formation also. So candlestick patterns, strictly speaking, morning star formation, engulfing candlestick patterns. So there is a presence of bullish accumulation. Hence, I have concluded, yes, it is always going to be a move of from lower low formation to a low high formation, always. But because of the presence as such, I am anticipating it to be a strong move. Hence, I'm interested in trading it. Simple. Am I interested in trading? Yes, because of the strength, presence, buyer's presence, I'm expecting a decent push, a strong reward against risk. That's why I'm trading interested. It is always from a lower low formation to a low high formation. Everybody understands, right?
Question?
Okay. Guys, specifically follow, focus. There's no questions you can ask right now. Please focus on the lecture. It's for, I need to record, I'm recording this. Went on to the daily chart. Remember, dissolve your weekly plan into the daily chart. That's important. So establish the important daily levels. This is the level, guys, at 123.50. It's covered in the weekly markups. It's perfectly fine. I can see this as another level. My expectation is that I'm anticipating price to aim for these levels, hopefully. That's what my anticipation is. Confluence is present there. That's what I can see. Now, this analysis is valid as long price do not break this level. Please understand, if the price breaks this level, there is no buying opportunity anymore. Forget it. And then I'm expecting this low formation to make a low high formation and go down. On the weekly, you are like this. 2 time frames, market structure, multiple market structural analysis. You know how to do this. Same methodology is present. Now, I'm going to specifically focus on area of interest where I'm interested. So my direction is I'm looking for buying opportunities only leading into next week. I have no intention to sell this. I will be looking for buying the dips. So my analysis is this: I'm looking for buying opportunities. So I'm not focusing on this move to the downside. I will be focusing on where the price forms a higher low formation. I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Simple. That's my intention is, first of all. But this is a vague statement. This is very vague. I need to be precise as to where I'm interested. So let's try to establish this. So yes, my area of interest is this. If the price retraces all the way to the downside, I am very much interested to buy to the upside. Yes, that's one. Secondly, price never retraces, goes higher. It goes higher, perfectly fine, comes back. I'm very interested to buy this. The problem is, what about this? What if the price retraces in the middle, goes higher? Let's try and establish areas of interest. You can clearly see this. That's another area of interest I'm interested. Price retraces. Price can retrace deeper. Price can. These are the areas of interest. Around these areas, or specifically on these areas I'm interested for. Buying opportunity only. I have no intention to sell this. Please understand, guys, why I have said why I'm not selling it. Please understand. Please confirm. I'm sure you guys understand what I mean. Break it down further. Try and establish. There you go. This version of the trading plan is first one. Second one. First one means this. Second one means deeper retracement, this. Third one. The third one means this. This is called condensed version of the trading plan. Guys, normally I don't like this one. I like to see retracement to buy this. So these are the trading plans, a condensed version of the trading plan. Price action looks pretty decent on this. Let me tell you this. So yes, 123.50 is your first target. This is the first target that, and the price has to break this to go higher. Let me tell you this. I'm expecting market structural moves this kind. It's extremely easy. Wait for a pullback. Higher low formation. You don't have to be concerned about too much. It is the process which I discussed earlier in the session that you'll be applying. That's all you need. Process, you have no discretion on the process. It's specific rules oriented. It has to be your reflexes. All you have to do is just blindly apply the process. You win and win, you lose and lose. That's it. Doesn't matter. Trading plan is the one which has to be strong, picking trades from significant levels, which are area of interest, are important. Here, it is a clear price action, a very clear price action. Again, guys, the first trading opportunity was there. It was a clear trading opportunity last week for 100 pips. Absolutely a clear trading opportunity last week. This is based off H4 confirmation as well, which I discussed in my previous lecture, when price action is confirmed from H4, by the way. And this was also confirmed from the daily as well. It was confirmed from the daily as well. So right now, we are expecting the price to retrace. Look for buying opportunities. Price can do deeper retracement, and again, look for buying opportunities. In terms of deeper retracements, I'm very interested in these areas. Most of the harmonic formations complete here. That's why I'm very interested. So look for buying opportunities on this pair next week. That's what my trading plan is. We'll see how this plays out. As long, I say it again, as long the price fails to break the low, which lies at 120.70, the setup remains valid. I hope you enjoyed the analysis.